Today, we're in the impressive pillared hall at Wentworth Woodhouse, and this was always the main entrance hall for most of the people who visited, and that's still the case today. Making sure that this house is always looking its best is a huge undertaking. Today's letter H is for housekeeping.
Sometimes small things cause big problems, like huge quantities of swarm flies. And sometimes the grandest of spaces needs care and attention, involving toothbrushes and small pieces of fine-grade steel wool. Vast areas of floor space require regular cleaning. Specialist care is also required for delicate fabrics, where muslin-covered vacuuming is carefully done in measured squares to ensure that precious fibres are not removed along with the dirt. With over 300 rooms and literally miles of corridors, it's no wonder that Wentworth Woodhouse needed 70 full-time indoor staff for the house to run properly back in its heyday.
We are so thankful to our housekeeping staff and team of volunteer housekeepers who work tirelessly to keep Wentworth Woodhouse looking so pristine.